What's up, YouTube? Got the Felony. Just finished doing the last bit of upgrades. I think I'm gonna do to it. I put the HR carriers on there, front and back. Just some more durability, stability. It's my first Arrma. I got two more. They're all infractions basically. So I got two more infractions. One was a felony roller, or slider rather. Didn't have wheels. I converted it to a infraction. Anyway, about this one right here, stock system. It works fine. A lot of guys say it's overheating, so I don't know if they're bashing with speed run gears or if they're still running the stock motor setup, which they turned the timer up to the max. Things like 22 something. I turned it down to 11. I ran the pack off of it. It was fine. That's before I added the second fan also. Wait, did I? No, I think I did have the second fan on it. Anyway, I ain't no overheating issues, so I'm not sure if they hit or miss, defects or what, but mine's been fine. Got the HR diffs front and back with the stock weight, 30-30. I like how it felt stock, so I just upgraded the diff at the same type of fluid in there, 30 weight fluid. I shortened the shocks with the nylon spacers from the hardware store, front and back. I think I put 60 weight oil or diff fluid in here. I think 60. I think my new or my last infraction has 80. So I believe I put 60 in here. One of them stiff, but not quite as stiff as can be, but still pretty stiff, and I lowered it like I said. Some STRC aluminum braces, mainly for blinkage. My custom fan shrouds, I call them air snatchers. Bert 3D sells them on his site. I'll drop a link down below. I wanted something to direct the air or catch the air as it flows by. Like fans, if the car is moving, the air is shooting past the fan. The fan got to suck the air in. This one helps direct the air towards the fan. It's been done on like Castle's shrouds. Not over exaggerated like this, but it's a thing. Just made it my own version of it. Center diff, I think it's GDS or something like that. Found it on eBay. It's aluminum. It's all aluminum with those fins going around it. I thought it looked cool, plus it's red. Kept this one mainly red. And I think those fins might help dispense a little heat. Like I said, this is a felony. I did drop a handbrake on it. Let me show y'all these real quick before I turn the car around. Had to buy me a little torch to get these set screws out. Check my previous videos, you'll see a couple of problems I had with the Arrma lock type situation. Like I said, I put these, I pieced together this handbrake. It's before Arrma actually dropped the unit or the module. They had pieces for it, so I bought each individual piece, put it together. I had to get those long 4mm bolts because that piece wasn't out when I pieced this together. That, all the silver screws you're seeing, of course, Arrma has black screws, so those are parts that didn't come with it. And the servo. I went on and kept a high voltage servo to run 7.4, which is the stock setting for these Arrmas. Upgraded the servo, the driving main servo also. But both of these are high voltage. That's only like 30 bucks, I believe. The back one. The front was about 100. This was about 30. I think I cut these little. I bought these so I can use the Proline caps. The Proline cap mod has been out. Not my thing. I've seen it out there, but I didn't want to do it the way they did it by just tapping a hole and sticking that grub screw inside the hole. So I printed up these adapters, if you would. So they still sit on a stock post. They still got a little flexibility to them, rotate with the body. The Felony rear body tilts, so it still works. Little grommets on to help to keep the body in place because the holes are too big for these set screws. So the grommets helps with that. I think that's about it. Oh, kept 100,000 diff full in the center diff. Like I said, I kept it stock. Yeah, I think that's about it. I put a little capacitor inside the receiver box because I didn't want to add a BEC. But this system handles those high voltage servos very well. They're only 7.4 volts, but no glitching whatsoever. Yep, I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's all I've done. Okay. Peace.